Good morning. We're here at the well, not the job site, but a backyard. Um, wanted to show everybody how you can measure for a grade the slope of your land. If you want to put in a garden and you want to figure out which way to slope it for the put your rows for the drainage, you're putting in a shed. Or a swing set, yeah. So take a minute, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and we're going to show you how to do this real easy. How do you do it?
Well, you would take the string. I have down here by my side. The string, put it in the ground. We stretch it out. We're going to put a level at the other end, and then we're going to measure the grade from the string on down to the ground.
Good morning.
Here to measure the grade. We're going to start here at the high point. I have string tied around a screwdriver. It makes it easy to actually push this into the ground so that your string will be at the high point. Now we're going to go walk about 15 feet. There's the string level. As you can see, in about 15 feet, we have about an 8-inch grade. Now that would mean you have to raise the level of the back end of a shed, or in the case of a swing set, you probably wouldn't want to bury it that deep. You would want to get it more level. Okay, so we showed you on the other side of the yard a grade that was 8 inches over a short distance, only 15 feet. That's probably unacceptable, especially if you're building a swing set. You don't want to bury your wood components or your swing set. That will cause a rot and a problem down the line. If you're doing a shed, same thing, but you can always level it with block. You're just going to need a lot more block at the back end of the shed to get it level.
And for a garden, it's acceptable. You just need to know which way the water's going to drain so you prevent erosion. Right?
Exactly. You know which way to go. You have to make sure to mark your rows. My farmer buddy here can tell you more about that. I'm the swing set guy.
So let's show them a good grade.
We're going to show you a good grade here. This grade, I believe, is within 3 or 4 inches. So we're going to start right over here. I believe this is the higher end. Move the branch out of the way. And again, the string tied on the end of a screwdriver makes it easy. It goes right down there level with the top of the ground. Now we're going to walk this way. We're going to go about 15 feet again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. String level. As I think you'll see, it's going to be a much better grade. Right there you have about 3.5 inches. And that is a lot better of a grade. Building a swing set, you really don't have to move much dirt around. You really don't have to bury much of your swing set. Same thing with the shed. And with the garden, you can know which direction you're going with the water and you make your root go that direction. So that was how we do the measuring of a grade to check and see if the grade in your yard is acceptable for a swing set, for a shed, or what you need to do if you have a garden.
Or any general construction thing, you want to start on a level surface. If you found this video helpful, informative, give it a thumbs up down below, click the subscribe button, and follow us to see what else we're up to.
Thanks, have a great day.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.